Sini mau ternyata kereta.
Sedang ngejak.
Oh, salah dah. Hah? Nama jadi saya dah. Proses pembuatan sumpit, guys. Lama kenal ya? Kenal gak ya? Kita ditok sumpit.
Ya, kenal gak?
Oh, taya psika demen ya. Taya mati ya. Dead taya, guys. Secara ribat to modern to kena taya psikal, kena taya psika demen. Oh, atare Jadi dia orang lihat kena ridat, jemui orang. Tapi sedek kapan?
Oh, ridat. Apa ridat betul ya boleh?
Will also become clean. More surprisingly, it can also be transformed into a car vacuum cleaner, and the body is compact. Ultra lightweight and does not take up space. Now the factory direct sales. The first 1 hour to order. Immediately half-price free delivery. You can use it for 7 days for free. If it is difficult to use, you can get a free refund.
Rumah Jambai. Rumah sebagai kami Semebak itu. Oh ya toh.
Mienya kan mipien.
Ini yang tadi deh, dunia.
Ini banyak ya Mas. Ini itu satu. Masih tadi no pagi.
Ngame.
Ke 9.
Kelapa dah, saya deh.
Kelapan. Nyong kita iki.
Rangga kita.
Udah gitu. Baik, ini dia itu. Careful.
It's like a cat. Maybe if you were to put on my shoes.
Penatai.
Very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
We can come right up, follow you. All messy fans everywhere.
Should we wait for them or just?
We for a while. We waiting for you. Lu mikir, mana lu mikir?
Itu dapat ya?
Tak.
Ibu spray. Ibu.
Okay, if you want to wear socks, also can. If you want to take off your socks, also can. And then put your shoes outside, yeah, in one places. And then after that, once you come out, you see a lot of people waiting for us. Yeah, don't get scared. Yeah? This is the ice breaking. So each of you, they will give you the rice wine. Yeah, rice wine. This one is just for the bottle drink. If you don't want to take it, you just try. Okay? So it's just a respect. Remember guys, we come do a respect, then the people will respect. Alright? So about your meal, about your lunch for I will choose maybe any volunteer for 4 people. Can I see? 2 from MLNG, the local one, 2 from the Canada. Okay, 1, 2, and from the locals, 3. Okay, another one?
Amy.
Huh? Amy.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. Next year we will see who is the expert one. Either the foreigner or the local. Yeah, because both of them also never been to pull off the pansuk from the bamboo. Okay, we will see how today. Yeah? Can we go for the tabuk? Yeah. I want more claps for them. And then, tahu? Kain kebat. Also a shilling. Ya, nama apa?
Gelang.
Gelang.
Gelang kaki.
Nama?
Gelang kaki.
Gelang kaki. Can you mention it? Gelang kaki. Okay. So you see, from the head to the toe, if this girl make a move, it sounds a music. Yeah. So back in the olden days. Okay, we go. Go to the center. So say if this thing pull off from the plate, so you cannot eat it today. So we all, the hope is all within with you, yeah?
So if I smell it, I can eat it on myself because no one else will.
I don't know about that. But one is a spoil, we will be spoiling.
We'll still eat it.
Okay, ada lagi kain nggak? Okay. Okay. So the way to pour off, di sini no empty-nya kan?
Pinjam yang
Di
kosong.
sini no empty-nya, bulu empty-nya.
Boleh yes.
Boleh.
Okay. So
Ayam cincang. Oh, ayam. I think yeah, ayam cincang. On time to us.
Sambal ya.